Your call has been forwarded to an automated voice messaging system. At the tone, please record your message.
Incoming call.
Hello?
Yeah,
Hello?
who is this?
I don't know what you're talking about.
Yeah, I
Who
just
am I
got a phone
speaking to?
call from you people.
Who's Ralph?
Who are you?
Somebody by the name of Ralph is on the phone, and he sounds like he's drunk.
Yeah. Well, you tell that motherfucker he better watch his goddamn calling this fucking number again, bitch. I'm sick and tired of this goddamn shit. I'll kill the motherfucker. He better watch his shit.
Hi, this is Ralph.
The end.